Hello from Virginia. It is the first week of August and it is swamp bottom season. It's already 92 degrees out. We have a tornado watch and it is super humid and hot outside, but fortunately I'm down here in the garage, and what you're seeing here is my latest project. It is a 5.3 liter LS engine out of a 2005 Chevy Silverado. It's an all aluminum block, high output version of the 5.3 liter LS series, Gen 3. I was looking for one and I landed one last month, and it's been sitting in the garage. I've worked on it a little bit already. Pulled off the heads, I pulled off the oil pan, and I pulled off the intake and the water pump. Today I am pulling off the harmonic balancer. It's usually a two-man job if you're working in a garage, but I've kind of figured out how to do it as a one-man job without a strap wrench. So what I did, because what you want to do is loosen this nut, which is torqued to a god-awful amount of foot-pounds. I think it's north of 300 foot-pounds, by putting this socket on here and turning it counterclockwise. But you don't want the engine to rotate counterclockwise, because that's the opposite of this Gen 3 engine. This nut, by the way, I know for the Gen 3 at least, is right-handed thread. So if you want to loosen that, take that nut off. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So what I did to stabilize the engine is I just took a C-clamp and I clamped a pipe wrench to the side of the engine stand post, and I put it the front part of the pipe wrench goes right in here into the flywheel, so it holds the flywheel in place and keeps it from rotating as I take that engine bolt off. I've already taken it off. I didn't want to make a video of this thing going wrong, and I'll tell you, when I was taking it off, it was the engine stand was bucking a little bit, and this thing, even though it's an aluminum block, is very top heavy sitting on here. So be very careful when you do this. All right, I'm going to brake here, and then I'll start up again once I get the balancer puller put on. And to do that, I'm going to use this thing that I got rented from the local auto parts store, and I'm also going to use this 24mm socket to get that mounted on there and pull that balancer off. Be right back.